Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
Try to come. So the whispers of our nation is already receiving attention. The economic challenges are known by the president because all of us feel the impact of what is happening now. But we are aware that it will be for a short while. The specific issues faced by the Niger Delta must be contained in that communique because we are going to make it available to Mr. President. The ones that need legislation will come to us. The ones that need intervention will go to NDDC. The ones that need more money will go to the President and Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. And I assure you that those issues will be addressed. MD, I want to thank you for what you said. You said, we are not interested in regime change. Let us own this government. Those who want to protest can protest, but let us be there eating. Am I right? I must thank Niger Delta. So, in conclusion, we acknowledge the fact that the impact of oil and gas activities in our region has done immeasurable damage to our people. It reshaped our lives, it reshaped our economy, it reshaped our environment. So we must expedite action to address those concomitant socio-economic issues that have arisen as a consequence. Be rest assured that the Tinubu administration will release the necessary funds for critical projects in the Niger Delta region and will ensure that the needs of our people and our dreams are realized. Let me take a moment again to adorned with vibrant colors, a tapestry woven with threads of unity, resilience, and determination. For Niger Delta, I see a people like the mighty baobab tree, standing tall and unyielding, rooted in the rich oil of our heritage.